Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to put pictures on TikTok comments. Now first of all open the TikTok application and just choose the video that you want to put comment on. So first of all let's say like this is the video that I want to comment on. So just go inside the comment section, and once you go inside the comment section so you can read like this is the option of adding text, and below the text option you can read multiple options like emoji, at the rate if you want to mention someone, this is basically emoji, and along with the emoji you can see the pictures button as well. So just click on it and select the picture that you want to post, and you can just write down as well something like this is the something like you are looking to post on. But let's say that you're not able to post pictures, so what you can do is the possible reason is that you have denied the reason of or denied the permission of your photos to the TikTok. So make sure to go inside the settings, give the permission to your gallery, or you can say your photos, and once you give them like clear your cache, give permission to your photos. After that you will be able to add your photos inside the comment section, and you can easily comment with pictures on anyone's post. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can do it.